my science lesson. Today our topic is sound and we're going to find out how sounds are made and measured. Sound. What is sound? Well, sound is all around us. Raindrops splash, the wind whistles, birds chirp, mice squeak, babies cry, we talk and sing. These are just a few examples of everyday sound. You probably know more about sound and its sources than you think. Let us see how sounds are made. Sound is all about vibrations. A sound is made when an object, material, or air vibrates. When you hear a sound, it means that the source of sound must be vibrating, even if you cannot see the vibrations. What is vibration? Well, when something moves back and forth very quickly, it's called vibration. A few examples of how sound is made. When a drum is hit, the skin of the drum vibrates. The vibration travels through the air and it makes a sound that we hear. Another example would be, if you put your finger on your throat and gently hum, you will feel your voice box vibrating. If you're making a louder sound, the vibrations will be bigger and vice versa. Few types of sound. We know that sounds are made when objects vibrate. These vibrations can be big or small, making louder and softer sounds. When an object makes a big vibration, the sound is louder. When the object makes a small vibration, the sound is softer. Let us see how to measure sound. I'm sure you all know that we can measure length in centimeters, meters, or kilometers, and time in seconds, meters, or hours. Similarly, we can also measure sound as it is a form of energy. Loudness or softness of a sound can also be measured. How loud or soft a sound is called its volume. Volume is measured in decibels, and we write decibels as small d with the capital B. We can use a computer data logger or a sound level meter to measure the volume of sounds. The louder the sound, the more decibels the meter measures. Another important thing here to keep in mind is that very loud sounds can damage our ears and hearing. They can even cause deafness. This is how a simple computer data logger looks like. Here we have a sound level meter. It measures the sound. If the sound is very loud, more the decibels would be shown by the sound level meter. If the sound is low or soft, less decibels would be shown by the sound level meter. Let us see an experiment conducted of how we measured sound.
Okay children, now I'm standing in a quiet library and I have a sound level meter with me as well. We'll be measuring how much decibels would be here in this quiet library. Now children, you can see, since it's a very quiet library, the graph that came over here is very smooth one. There are not much fluctuations because of the quietness around us. Now I'm going to show you another example when I will be hitting this stone on the table, and we will be measuring how much decibels we'll get by hitting this stone. Okay children, now you can see that the reading when I was hitting the stone got as much high as 76, and the graph that is showing over here, it's pretty much of the same pattern in which I was hitting the stone on the table. So this is how we measure sound using a sound level meter.
Okay, I hope this was a helpful experiment. Now children, here in this table I have some sounds in order from softest to loudest. If a source of sound is a watch ticking, It would measure around 20 decibels and it's considered a very soft sound. If the source of sound is a hair dryer, it would measure around 90 decibels and it's considered a loud sound. If we have a drill machine, it would measure around 100 decibels. It becomes quite painful and can even damage hearing. Talking about space rocket launching, it would measure around 180 decibels. It is loud enough to make you deaf. You should not probably be near it. Children, have you ever noticed what sort of sound does your refrigerator makes? Think about it. Thank you so much for joining me for the lesson. I'll see you all with yet another interesting topic next time. Take care. Stay safe.